Top of the morning. My name is Brady Bjornson, Senior Product Manager with Topcon Agriculture. We're out here in beautiful and sunny Washington, Indiana with Boyd & Sons. What we've got here for you today is we've got a 9620 John Deere quad. Then we've got ourselves a J&M 1150 grain cart. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing a full grain cart install with the GT560 CL55 smart cart system plus load cells. So if you want to come over here, we'll come and take a look at what this thing's equipped with. So on this system, since this will be a 5-point system, on the right-hand side, you'll have one on the front of the axle, one on the back. On the left side, same deal, one on the front, one on the back. And then up here in the front, you'll have a load cell that'll go right up here. So like the system that we did out in South Dakota, that one was already set up with a load cell here, so we didn't really have to do anything. With this one, there's actually a blank. It's basically just a steel cylinder that's on the inside of there, a solid steel cylinder. It's on the inside, and what we'll do is we're going to have to hammer that out, and then we've got another load cell that we'll grease, put on the inside, put the bolt in, and that'll make that a load cell, basically a load cell system for the grain cart.